Linking your bank to Burgan Switzerland can streamline your financial transactions and enhance your banking experience. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the linking process, collect all necessary information, including your bank account details, identification documents, and any specific requirements from Burgan Switzerland. Step 2. Access the online banking portal. Visit the official Burgan Switzerland website and navigate to the online banking section. If you do not have an account, you may need to register for one before proceeding. Step 3. Locate the linking option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank details. Input the required bank details accurately, including your account number, bank name, and any other requested information. Double check for errors to avoid issues during the linking process. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your details, review the information and confirm the linking request. You may need to verify the connection through a code sent to your mobile or email, depending on the bank's security protocols. Once you have completed these steps, your bank should be successfully linked to Burgan Switzerland. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.